blue token in store to help children thrive in your area. Stronger starts by Tesco.
Alright, let's give this a go. Oh, that one tyre fire life, boy! Not bad though. Let's try and do that again. Oh, not like that though. Not like that. This is obviously a private location. God, that's fun. Good morning. Sorry, let me try and get you set up somewhere tasty. Good morning, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the little skids. Now, when I first got this car, I said to myself, oh, I'm going to skid it. It's going to be sick. And then it's like, oh, hang on. I've never done anything like that in my life. So I've always been put off because I used to have one. I had a white E36, same deal, 318, but it's been swapped with a M52, and I crashed it trying to drift. So ever since then I've been a bit cautious because it was a pretty bad wreck. I wrote off another car, and I had my friend in the car as well, so I put him at danger as well. But you're young, so you learn. I'm trying to get better. The more I keep doing it, the more fun I find that I'm having with it. I'm just having a few little bugs. Yeah, I don't know if it's me because I'm not used to doing it, or because it's got an open diff, or I'm running too wide a tyre on the rear. Basically, I can't get it to break free in second gear very well. You can do it, don't get me wrong, but you have to, the conditions have to be correct. But yeah, I don't know if I need to step down a tyre size, or I just need to get the diff welded. I wasn't going to, but now I think I'm going to. It does tasty one tyre fire burnout, to tell you that now. First gear rips, no problem whatsoever breaking it free in first. It's just you run out of gear so quick, so it's pinging it off limiter, and obviously we ain't done our oil nut yet. I have had the limiter decreased from 72 to 7,000. Garage E36, the lads from Wales who mapped my ECU, they said that they've seen oil pump failures when it's mapped to 72. So I want to get drill the hole and put some security wire around it, just for peace of mind. But I'll do that once she gets packed away for the winter. So today's video is kind of a chill video. I know I missed last week's video. I didn't really have anything to film, to be honest. I'll show you what I had the week off work, and we were doing stuff. Me and my dad were doing stuff in the shed, so I'll show you that in a minute. We've come up to the shed, like I said, in the driving bit. I don't know if I told you or not. We've come up in the shed in the E36 because we need to give her a wash, because we are going to Cars and Cuppers on Sunday. So I want to get it cleaned up for that. And as we're cleaning the car, I have been sent my first product to review, so I'll be doing that shortly. So yeah, that's super sick. If anyone else, any companies want to send me something to review, then send it to me. I'll happily accept it, whatever it is. Unless it's naughty toys, then not interested. Oh, we've got a roof now, boys. Still waiting to get the electric in, so it's super dark in here at the moment. But you can see how much of a difference that's made. It took us a while. It is all bodged, but she's solid. Like I said, I'm going to paint all this white. We might even paint the floor, see how I'm feeling. I want to paint this back wall white, and then basically look what I've done here. We're putting some tools up there. I want to get this whole back wall with tools on, and then I want a big CGR builds, like somehow on there in black or something. If any of you guys that no wheels and drifting and all that fun stuff. If you've got an 8J17 wheel, what's the lowest you can go? Probably a 205, I would have thought. Not too sure, because I want to do skids. I don't want to do it without breaking my diff and axles. The strut braces have made a massive difference. I didn't think they'd make fuck all of a difference, to be honest, but they actually have. When I first drove the car, after we fitted them, when I drove it home, oh, it takes bumps so much better. Night and day difference. So yeah, that's pretty much the main things with the E36. I fixed the weird cluster thing that was going on in the last E36 video. All that was a fuse. Get everything set up to wash this puppy, and then I'll show you what I've been sent. It is hot. Anyway, E36 is all clean. I didn't want to bore you with a time lapse or anything like that. You've seen me wash it 1,000 times, so she's all clean. Just letting her dry off. So whilst we wait for her to dry off, gosh, she looks so good when she's clean. Cannot wait to get the M Sport front bumper on here. It's gonna look so good. We'll do it right here. Alright, I did open this so I could charge the battery. So we've got the battery charger and our battery. This is who sent it to me, Seiko. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So, go that way. Oh, hey. So this is their cordless buffer polisher, and it's nice because it's little. It does car polishing, stove cleaning, cleaning glass, wash the sink. So everything that comes with it. Cool, let's get her in. Now, the one thing that stood out for me from this, doors gonna close in my face, go away. You get a little carry bag. The pads are a decent size. Now that's got to be, I don't know, this is the pad that I use for my Milwaukee little polisher. You can see the difference. So it's got a really good, you've got good surface area of the pads. So you get like a waffle grooved one, sanding pad, 2000 grit, like a polisher or like a buffer pad, and then just a normal flat pad. And then we've got like, these ones are like inserts, sleeves. Got that one, like a wool mitt one. That's like a shower cap, don't know what you'd use that for. And then like some microfibers. They're pretty cool. And then the main tool, here she is. Now already it's a nice weight, so I know the big ones of these are kind of heavy on your wrist. My only one concern with this though is that it's got a tiny battery. Here's a 2000, so a 2AH battery. I think you'd be charging it for a while. Ooh, oh, I don't know. That sounds really nice. That was on mode 2. Let's crank up to 6. Oh yeah, sounds really nice. Oh, that sounded nice. So, slap that on there. Look at the size of the pad. That's really nice. It's a really nice weight as well. Compact, but it's got the surface area that you want. 6 speeds. Oh yeah. Spicy that is. So I'm just going to let this dry off a bit more, and then we'll try our Seiko car polisher. Again, thank you for Seiko for sending that out to me. If you've got anything else that you want me to review, please, you know my address, send it boy, send it. So yeah, and that's for anyone else that wants to send me anything. If you want to buy this yourself, I'll leave the product link down below so you can pick yourself up one of these Seiko car polishers, because so far I'm pretty impressed. Right, that is going to be our test piece. So again, got our tool. You can see it weighs like nothing. Don't want to put too much on this pad, so only do a small bit. That'll do. Slap it all. I don't polish cars, so go easy on me. So we're going to try it on 3, half power. Oh yeah. so nice because you can do it one-handed. Got sick. So you can definitely see the line between the two, and in that patch the colour's already there, and that was like 2 seconds buffing. So I'm going to carry on doing this wing. You can definitely see a difference in colour. I'm going to just tape up this light and this, and then I'm just going to do this whole wing because that was super easy. Hoping that shows up on camera, but just 2 seconds and that already looks 1000% better. It's so easy to use as well, so easy, just glides, it weighs nothing, you can do it with one hand. It's really nice. So far I'm happy. It actually makes me want to polish the whole car. I'm going to finish doing that bottom bit, but overall I'm pretty impressed with that. So as you saw on the phone, that wings come out beautifully. It makes the colour, the Boston green, pop. I definitely rate that. That is really cool. Really like it. Again, thank you Seika for sending me that. If you've got anything else that you want me to test, please send it to me. And if anyone else wants to send me anything, email me. I'm happy to review anything. Oh, someone's been doing tasty burnouts up here. Let's see if we can just do one downhill quick. It's probably not a good idea. Shall we do one? Fuck it. Oh, I've never done a burnout in my life. That was my first proper burnout, boy. Oh, I'm well excited about that. That was sick. Let's turn around and see the evidence. Left foot braking and everything like a fucking boy. This car's so fun to fuck around in. Let's see if we can try and just turn around down here a minute. Nothing coming. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, snappy boy. It's when it goes from gravel to tarmac, it's horrible. Snappy like fuck. This is the end. Faint line. Oh, was that it? I swear we did a tasty one. Oh, here we go, here we go. Yeah, there she is. One tyre fire. Oh, she started with 2. Is that not mine? That can't be mine. 2? Weird. Woo! That'll do. And